2019 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, heated steering wheel, electronic stability control, fog lights, heated front seats, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, compass, security system, remote keyless entry, brake assist. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.